tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make your bad microphone sound good. So first of all, go to the start bar and then click on the speaker icon, right click on it and then click on recording devices. After that, click on your microphone, right click and then click on properties, go to enhancements, enable these two enhancements and then click on apply and then OK. And then after that, you need a program called Audacity. Download it from the link in the description and then import your audio in here. As you can see, my microphone is very quiet. Testing 1 2 3. Also leave 5 seconds blank. Select the clip from here and then go to effect and then click on compressor and then click OK. After that, go to effect, bass and treble, copy the settings and then click on apply, then close, and then go to compressor once again and then click OK, and then select the blank space and then go to effect, noise reduction, copy the settings and then click on cut noise profile, select the whole clip again and then go to noise reduction and then click OK. And now test it. Testing 1 2 3. As you can see, the quality of my microphone is now good enough. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.